Microsoft Store first. So I'm going to open this store. In Microsoft Store, you have to search in this search menu, Better Widget. So you have to find the app here. Sorry, this app is actually a B widget, not Better Widget. So you have to search it, and here you can find the B widget app. Click on that and install it by clicking on Get. So once it gets installed, you have to open it. You can close the Microsoft Store, and here you can choose the settings you want to use. I'm gonna you have to select the Run on Startup, so every time your computer turns on, it automatically gets turned on. Also you can choose themes and stuff according to your system color. So these are some basic settings, but the main thing you have to do is you have to click on New Widget, and here you can type in the widget name, and also you can type in the widget type, and you can click on Customize to further customize it. So as you can see, the widget is here. So for customizing it, you can position it as you want. So I did it center position X and center position Y. You can click on set position as well, and choose the position customly. And if you apply, it will get changed. So let me try. So I want it to be in top in position Y, so I'm gonna type lower value and click on apply. So you can also enable the movement, or you can lock it. You can enable the visibility, and you can also keep it on top always and make it unclickable. And you can customize it more, you can change background color and stuff, and you can also change the text color as well. So I showed you with the time widget, but you can add many more widgets which are different, time, date, photos and other widget, and you can add them and customize them. So that's how you can create custom widgets in Windows 11. If you want more videos like this, then comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.